guys, welcome to Physics Hub. So today in this video we are going to talk about a new course which is going to start from 29th of March 2022. So let me just tell you briefly about this course. So the title of this course is Detailed Course on Classical Mechanics. So in this course everything will be covered in detail and the whole classical mechanics will be conducted and this course will be conducted in English. As you know, all of my courses are conducted in English, so you can enroll for this course. I will give up the link. I will give the link in the description section, so you can check out the link and you can enroll for this. And if you are not an Unacademy subscriber, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code Physics Hub. So this course is starting from 29th of March 2022 and this will be taken tri-weekly, means every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, and every day at 7 from 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So this will be a 2 hours class, detailed course on classical mechanics. Each and every topic of the classical mechanics will be discussed from according to the CSIR-Net physical science syllabus. So this was a quick update to the enroll for this course. And guys, you can have a look at all of my courses by visiting this profile unacademy.com at the Physics Hub. You can just go through this URL and you can get all of my courses. So if you visit my profile, you'll get all the courses: digital course on mathematical physics, digital course on classical mechanics, EMT, quantum, thermal statistical, atomic and molecular, condensed matter, nuclear and particle physics, and electronics. And you can utilize our referral code Physics Hub for getting the maximum discount on Unacademy Plus subscription as well as an Iconic subscription. Any type of subscription you want to take, you can utilize this code. Now there are a lot of benefits of taking an Unacademy Plus subscription, such as you get daily live classes, you get part length and full length test with their solution, you get assignment with the solution, you get a proper structured course, lot of practice problems, whole syllabus you get to cover, you get a dedicated doubt clearing session after every 3 lectures, you get the PDF of the study materials and class notes, you can get classes in both Hindi and English. Offline video recordings will be available to watch anytime just after conducting the live lessons. Maybe 1 hour after that live lesson, you can get the offline recording to watch. WhatsApp and Telegram groups supports are also there. You can join our Telegram group. You can just manually search our Telegram group by this ID, Physics Hub. This is also a channel name, Physics Hub 1. This is a Telegram group ID. So you can enroll, you can join this Telegram group. And guys, a special announcement that CSIR-UGC NET category price hike will be done 10% for all types of subscription. Whether you go for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or 24-month subscription, the price is going to hike very soon. So if you are planning to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can just go for it. This is the right time because your CSIR-Net result is declared. So it's the decision time. If you want to get an affordable, good quality coaching, you can go for this Unacademy Plus subscription. You can utilize our referral code Physics Hub for getting the maximum discount. Currently, these are the price plans or subscription plans are there: 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. You can see the total pricing here, and this is the discounted price. If you apply this referral code Physics Hub PHYSICXHUB, then you will avail this discounted price. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal, and enroll for the course which I have mentioned earlier, and see you in the class very soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.